Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the ASIN function inside of Microsoft Excel. So what exactly this function do? So pretty simple, the ASIN function computes the arcsign, which is the inverse sign for a number returning a value in rads between minus pi divided by 2 and pi divided by 2. For this video, the numbers that we are going to use are between minus 1 and 1. So this is what I did here. So from minus 1 to 1. And what we're going to do is we are going to run this function for numbers between minus 1 and 1. So let's try it out. So if we write down ASIN, which is the function that we want to use, and then we use the number minus 1, we are going to have as a result minus pi divided by 2, which is minus 1.57 and a periodical number if we add some other variables, as you can see here. So it's minus pi divided by 2. Now we can apply the ASIN to numbers that are between minus 1 and 1. So if we try it out right here, there is a little mistake just here. It should be 0. So we'll just write down 0. Here we go. And we'll continue. There we go. And here, as you can see, it goes between minus pi divided by 2 until pi divided by 2. Now, if we try to run this function inside of a graph, so how exactly will this work? So it's pretty simple. We're just going to select those numbers and simply put them inside of a chart to see what it looks like. So we'll go inside of recommended chart. And as you can see, here we go. This is what it will look like inside of a chart. So if you run the ASIN, you can run the ASIN function on numbers that are between minus 1 until the number 1. And as you can see, the answer will go between minus pi divided by 2 until pi divided by 2. So this is how you use the ASIN function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.